Hi everyone, and today let's have a look at the next great thing happening with Dent Wireless Limited. Dent is about to launch its Dent Telephony service on 31st March 2019, which is another couple of days from today. So let's have a quick look on why we need Dent and what makes so unique about Dent. So if you ask this question, like we already got providers like Skype, Viber, IMO, local phone, and quite a lot of ton loads of voice over IP services. And if we already have those providers, why do we need a Dent then? What Dent is so unique about? Let's have a look at what Dent could do, but WhatsApp has got billions of users. So I'm going to take WhatsApp as a comparison for Dent now. So let's see what Dent could do, which WhatsApp cannot do. The first thing is Dent allows you to buy data and voice minutes directly from their mobile app. With just few clicks, you are loaded with your mobile data, which your WhatsApp can do. And the next big thing is Dent allows you to top up data for anyone in the world, cross country and borderless. Right now, Dent is live in 41 countries. So technically, you can buy Dent token and send your data, not free data, send the data top up to someone in a different country, which there's not much apps available. And the next one is it allows you to call people on their landline or mobile if they don't have a smartphone. With WhatsApp or Viber or Skype, you have to use the mobile data, and it doesn't allows you to make a call. I guess Viber and Skype are exceptional, but WhatsApp doesn't allow to do that. And the other interesting thing is IoT devices, which is Internet of Things. Like you have a Tesla car and you want to top up data for your Tesla car. um, Dent is perfectly positioned for IoT devices, which could be topped up using Dent in the future. And Dent Wireless is investigating and doing quite a lot of research on how to get into the IoT industry. And Dent allows you to get free minutes and free data for watching ads on their app. And eSIM allows global roaming of data with Dent. eSIM is something coming out next year in their roadmap as well, and eSIM is going live in India. India has got a population of 1.7 billion people, and roughly 500 million smartphone users are there in India alone. And imagine what impact it could have with the launch of eSIM and Dent uh, going live in India in next year. And Dent allows you to trade your unused mobile data. That's another unique feature that Dent has. Right now, there's no mobile provider in the world, in the planet, who allows you to sell your unused excess data. Your data gets wiped out the next month. You cannot carry forward at the moment as we speak. And Dent allows 400 minutes of free calling time to any five countries of your choice for holding Dent in the Dent app, which is they call it as their afterburner program. So the afterburner loyalty program allows people to get free minutes based on different levels like red, white, and elite. So they have three different plans um, as part of the afterburner loyalty program. So let's have a quick recap. So these are the things that Dent could do, which your WhatsApp can do. So technically speaking, Dent is with the launch of its telephony service is putting itself in direct competition with all those big telephone or voice or IP service providers, which is making Dent going to be a very unique position in the future. So let's ask the question: can your WhatsApp or Viber or Skype can do any of those things that we just saw? If you said no, then Dent is what is needed to solve those problems. Now ask the same question other way around. What Dent can't do that WhatsApp can do? Literally, there is nothing that Dent can do which your Viber or WhatsApp or Skype can do. So, which puts Dent in direct competition with one of the world's leading um, social media services like WhatsApp, Viber, or Skype. So, Dent is in a very high position by making itself highly competitive with them. So, Dent's 13.3 million users is it or its strength. There are billions of smartphone users around the world. Dent is already live in more than 41 countries, and there are more countries to come as well. 70% of the phone users are in prepaid or pay as you go service. That's the statistics from GSMA last year. So 70% of the phone users are still on prepaid. The current users, just by holding Dent through the Afterburner program, could get free voice minutes. Users just need to buy a SIM and buy 100,000 Dent, which is worth $100, and put it in their Dent Afterburner program. That will get them free minutes for just holding Dent in the app. They can even give up paying huge money every month to their telcos and earn more free Dent through their app. This will make Dent an international telephone service provider. So now imagine all you need to do is buy a SIM, get 100,000 Dent, which is worth $100, and put it in your Dent app, and you don't have to pay every month some money to your service provider. You can start getting free Dent tokens as well by watching the ads on their phone. So, which is an incredible um, way of um, getting free mobile data through watching ads. Imagine most of the people are spending quite a lot of time on Facebook, Twitter, and quite a lot of social media. So Facebook doesn't creates the content for you. It's the community and billions of users who create the content, and they make quite a lot of money through the ads they put in between your posts. So technically speaking, the user loses time, their energy, and they spend their mobile data as well. If they have to scroll through uh, Facebook post, they need to start spending mobile data as well. So it costs time, energy, and money, and somebody else is actually making profit out of it. That's insane. Technically speaking, people are working free for Facebook in another perspective. So now Dent is, for the first time in the world, is incentivizing the users by for who spend time on their app. So if you spend some time on the mobile app, on the Dent app, and watch free some ads in their app, you are actually getting free data for watching that ads, which is an incredible. Like say you are on Wi-Fi at home and you don't spend any data by watching ads, then you get free Dent tokens, which you can use it as part of mobile data when you are traveling. So technically speaking, you are making free money in the form of mobile data, which is an incredible idea. So Dent is like the Uber for mobile data. Uber doesn't own even a single taxi, but has integrated all the car owners to share their cars through their app. Dent is the Uber for mobile data. Dent integrates all mobile data providers under a single umbrella through their Dent app. Uber charges so less that no one prefers the traditional black cab anymore. So Dent is the Uber for the mobile data, and it's the future. Thank you for watching. So in the future, you might you might see all the telco providers participating in the Dent ecosystem, Right now, you have got already got quite a lot of